There you go, Savannah. Savannah is riding. I don't know if she understands it.
Alright! You want excerpt?
Oh. She might show us what she's riding.
No, thank you?
Savannah, show what you ride.
You gotta watch your feet.
Savannah, show me what you ride. Show it on the camera.
Oh, hey?
Savannah! Maya, I want to see the writing on this. Okay. Hey! Sorry, we're not seeing the writing. Leafy. No, that's not the writing. Oh. Here. Okay. Then. That's weird. So, you want the picture of someone's writing?